beautiful. The chrome is still intact.
This is exactly what we were looking for.
Keep the tension steady.
Okay, we're clearing the edge. Lower it slowly onto the pads. This one's gonna be a challenge.
Yeah, the corrosion is extensive. Let's get it unloaded and assessed.
It goes straight through the subframe here.
Yeah, the rocker panel is completely compromised. We're looking at extensive fabrication. Make sure the torque is exactly 75 foot-pounds on those caps.
Got it, 75.